As part of your theory test, you need to do a case study. This is where you'll watch a short 20-second video, then answer 3 questions about what you've seen in the video. You can watch the video as many times as you need to. Let's go over a case study example now. Watch this video, then we'll go over 3 questions.
What type of road is this? Is it a one-way street, a single track road, a dual carriageway, or a cycle route? What type of road is it? A one-way street, a single track road? Remember what a one-way street actually is. A one-way street is when you've got a road, doesn't matter how many lanes it's got, but all traffic is going in the same direction. A single track road is where you've got a very narrow, that's a rubbish drawing, isn't it? I'll draw that again. A single track road is where you've got a road, but it's not very wide. Traffic goes up the road, traffic comes down the road, but it's only wide enough for one vehicle. So what is this? Is it a one-way street or a single track road? Well, the answer is it's a single track road. Cars go up the road and down this road. It's just only wide enough for one single car. How do you know? Look at this sign here. Traffic goes up and traffic comes down. It's not one way. It's just single track, only wide enough for one vehicle. Does that make sense? So the answer is that this is a single track road, a road that's only wide enough for one single vehicle. Where would you expect to see pedestrians walking on a road like this? Walking on the grass verge, walking towards you on the opposite side of the road, walking towards you on your side of the road, or walking in the middle of the road. If pedestrians are walking in a road with no pavement, they will be walking towards you on your side of the road, on the left. They don't walk on the opposite side, like cars coming towards you. They walk on your side of the road, and that means that they can see you clearly. Makes sense? They're walking towards you on your side of the road. You have to know that to be a driver. You've got to know what to expect. I will do another video to remind you about that. The road is very narrow. Who has priority if there is a vehicle coming towards you? Is it oncoming traffic? Is it you have priority? No one has priority, or vehicles will not be coming towards you. We know it's not D. Vehicles can come towards you. So who has priority to go first if there's a vehicle coming towards you? This sign will tell you, is it you or is it oncoming vehicles? And do you understand this sign? Who has priority is an order. It's a red circle. You've got to do it. It is oncoming traffic. Okay, so the answer is oncoming traffic. Let me explain it to you. So this road is an old country road. So it's not very wide. It's only wide enough for one car, but cars can be coming towards you. If they're coming towards you, you can go into these gaps here. These spaces called passing places are all the way along this road. Now, this sign is telling you when you're driving, if you were drawing a picture of you driving a car, then you would be driving up the road, wouldn't you? Do you agree? You drive up the road and people coming towards you are driving down the road. Are you with me? Do you agree with that? So when you see a sign and the arrows showing you a small arrow going up the road, that's you. And the big arrow is coming down the road, that's the oncoming vehicle. So which one has priority, the red or the black? Can you see that you have a red arrow, red for danger? You have a little arrow. They have a big arrow. That means they have priority. If it was the other way around, that's you and them. That would mean you have priority. But you don't. In this one, they have priority. Does that now make sense? Just pop a yes in. I don't want to go if you're still a bit confused. Brilliant, brilliant. Look at the size of the arrows. If there's a big arrow and a small arrow, that's telling you about priorities. If the arrows are the same length, you've got two lines the same length, but one's got an arrow going that way and one's got an arrow going that way, that's telling you about two-way traffic. But if one of the arrows is smaller than the other, that's telling you who has priority to go first. Oh gosh, we have worked hard. That's it, guys. You have worked so hard. Done about 8 case studies there, which is an awful lot. Remember, when you are doing a case study in your real test, watch the case study again and again and again. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more content like this. Let's get you test ready.